toward Tokyo, and it's freaking windy. Look at the signs. Got blown up because of this rainbow. It's hard to walk straight. Now it's like 8 p.m. but every store is closed due to the typhoon. It's fun though. Oh, I feel it's dangerous to be outside. I gotta go home soon. Oh, these are new. This wasn't there, people. Okay, see you. Look at those signboards. They are shaking, literally. At this moment the wind is not so strong, but the signboard is shaking. Wow. It sounds like some monsters. Oh my god. I feel it's dangerous to be outside. I gotta go home soon.